We have a big update coming in from Pune. Maharashtra Chief Minister has assured justice in the Pune Porsche crash. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has said there will not be any one-sided decision or investigation. It will be equal justice for all. Remember, the father, clearly an influential person within Pune and in Maharashtra, managed to dodge the cops using his connections, his money power for 48 hours. Fadnavis also has said that the pubs violating rules will be shut. So it looks like the state government is beginning to crack down. Remember, India Today was consistently pursuing the story. 2 people lost their life simply because an underage minor driver, allegedly intoxicated, could not drive the vehicle properly, crashed into 2 who lost their life.
मी स्वतः पोलीस आयुक्तांशी बोललोय. यामध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारची लापरवाही किंबहुना काही कुणाला पाठीशी घालण्याची आवश्यकता नाही, घातलं जाणार नाही. आणि जे काही नियमानुसार कायदेशीर कठोर कारवाई जी आहे यामध्ये होताना आपल्याला दिसेल आणि ती दिसते. त्यामुळे कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये कायदा सुव्यवस्था राखण्याचं काम पोलिसांचं आहे. त्याप्रमाणे मी आयुक्तांना सूचना दिलेल्या आहेत, निर्देश दिलेले आहेत.
The Pune Porsche case investigation is intensifying. The minor accused's father was arrested by the Pune police on Monday. He will now be presented in the court today. Pune police is likely to seek his custody as well. Vishal Agarwal, the father's name, tried his best to evade the cops. He even switched off mobile phone, got a new number to avoid tracing, went to Kolhapur, sent his car toward Mumbai so that, these different attempts that were being done to mislead the cops. He even took a friend's vehicle to Sambhaji Nagar, but eventually the police caught on with him by midnight. Remember, it was India Today's relentless coverage because we wanted to ensure that this, specifically VVIP, racism in so many ways that is being used here, does not succeed. Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has now assured action in the case. The Cozy and Black Bar in Pune that allegedly served liquor also to this minor accused, it has been sealed by the cops. Pune police have filed a plea to try the accused, even though he's a minor, but to try him as an adult in this case.
रिमांडच्या अर्जावर त्यांनी मला असं वाटतं की अतिशय लिनियंट अशा प्रकारचा व्ह्यू घेत 15 दिवस सोशल सर्व्हिस करा आणि त्यांनी डी ॲडिक्शन करा अशा प्रकारच्या गोष्टी त्यामध्ये लिहिल्या. खरं म्हणजे हा पोलिसांकरता देखील एक धक्का होता, कारण अशा प्रकारच्या प्रकरणांमध्ये जिथे पोलिसांनी सगळे पुरावे दिलेले आहेत, कुठल्या हॉटेलमध्ये तो आहे, काय केलेलं आहे, गाडीच्या संदर्भातले पुरावे दिले आहेत, वयाचे पुरावे दिले आहेत आणि सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे जे काही ऑर्डर्स आहेत त्याच्यानंतर जे काही झालेले अमेंडमेंट्स आहेत.
बच्चा एक कार ड्राइव कर रहा था तो उस पर क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस लगाए जाएंगे, तो उसमें मैंने उनको बताया जो भी कायदे से बनता है वो सब ऑफेंस आप लगा सकते हो. उसी बात में वो बताने के बाद मैं अपने घर चला गया.
आपके पार्टनर थे वो?
ये कोई जानबूझ के शायद से कोई ये फैला रहा है, आप इसकी जांच कर सकते हो.
बस ड्राइवर, ट्रक ड्राइवर, ओला, उबर, ऑटो ड्राइवर्स अगर गलती से किसी को मार देते हैं तो 10 साल की जेल में सजा हो जाती है और चाबी उठा के वो फेंक देते हैं. मगर अगर अमीर घर का 16 साल का 17 साल का बेटा पोर्श गाड़ी को शराब पी के चलाता है और 2 लोगों की हत्या करता है तो उसे कहा जाता है कि ऐसे लिख दो. ऐसे ट्रक ड्राइवर से, बस ड्राइवर से क्यों नहीं लिखाते? उबर ड्राइवर, ऑटो ड्राइवर से क्यों नहीं लिखाते? नरेंद्र मोदी से पूछा गया कि 2 हिंदुस्तान बन रहे हैं, एक अरबपतियों का, एक गरीबों का. उनका जवाब आता है, क्या मैं सबको गरीब बना दूं? सवाल ये नहीं है, सवाल न्याय का है. अमीरों को, गरीबों को, दोनों को न्याय मिलना चाहिए. न्याय सबके लिए एक जैसा होना चाहिए. इसीलिए हम लड़ रहे हैं, अन्याय के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं.
Let me now bring in India Today's Vidya. She's tracking the latest on this. Vidya, so he's the father who's been arrested is going to be produced in the court today, right? And let's be very clear, he was arrested not because there was a procedure, but because there was outrage and backlash over the case.
Well, certainly, in fact, there has been a backlash. There's a political aspect that has taken on to this entire debate, where actually a juvenile is concerned. In most juvenile cases, this is exactly what we see, that the bail is granted on a very lenient procedure. In fact, it's never. It's only when there's a heinous crime, where there is more than many years of decades of punishment, that in such cases that the police can actually file an application asking that the minor be tried as an adult. But since in this particular case, right now, there is no antecedent that the boy had, and this cannot be considered as a heinous crime. And that's one of the reasons why the police really cannot do much, though it is trying to move an application before the Pune Sessions Court asking that he be tried as an adult. That's just one aspect, of course,
Okay.
but it is being said that there are many cases, that the entire family is going to face now, because, of course, with the father getting arrested for having given the.
So what happens today? Vidya, quickly, the father who's been arrested as the accused because his underage son was driving, what happens today? He'll be produced in the court. What next?
Well, he will be produced in court, and the prosecution will try to make sure that they get at least a few days remand, where they will try questioning him, and they are also trying to find out if he himself, the father, has any criminal antecedents, the family has any criminal antecedents, because remember, there is also an angle of where a political person was involved, wherein he was pressurized to make sure that the Pune police does not really take strict action. A politician was also involved. So the political connection, as well as if there are any criminal antecedents, that all is being looked into, and the police will try to make sure that he does not really get a bail immediately, or else, of course, the backlash will only increase further against the Pune police.
Thank you, Vidya. I'll come back to you in just a short while. So it's, of course, finding loopholes in the laws for juveniles, and then importantly, the VVIP high-handedness, connections, money power that's also been used here. We'll be tracking this big story in the next few hours as well.